food time again. Yeah, it's all about stir fry vegetable. Yeah, done by. How do the vegetable? Oh, done by the ladies then, Nikki and Tracy and Melissa. Right, so we have pasta. Yeah, and also Nikki, top food lady, teach it at school. Now we also have mashed potato with mixed vegetable. Yeah man, it's all about real family food. Rabbi, yeah, Rabbi. Them little banana, one 2 finger banana we have set up, man. Nobody them things.
Anyway, you know next time we'll do it video. So I feel you know a bigger thing.
Where you say that here? Tell him where you say that here.
Yeah, you know you miss this, but you know next time a bigger thing you're going to about. Yeah, man.
Alright, Flima said that.
Yeah. But just enjoy yourself.
And cheer there, they don't do no pork. So you know, say, and no fish, because you are a fish king.
But anyway, you still enjoy yourself. I mean, you have a big whop up there too.
Alright.